I have an Xbox Series S that was dropped off by a customer today, and this one has physical damage to the HDMI port. So we just took the Xbox apart, and as you can tell, there is a lot of damage right here. So in order for us to fix it, we're gonna have to replace the whole port. I'm gonna start by adding solder to all the joints. All right, we just tinned up the pads on the back. We're gonna do the same with the front on those little pins. All right, we're gonna use a little bit of hot air at the same time as the soldering iron to help spread some of this solder to every pin. We really want to make sure every pin is covered. Perfect. Now we're going to go back to our larger soldering tip. Going to add a little bit more solder on those grounding points from the top. I flipped the board back over, and now that we've covered all of our pins and contact points to ground with solder, we're going to go ahead and hit it with just some hot air now until everything melts and the port just falls off. So I'm actually going to assist it a little bit with my iron here. Oh, and I think we have reached melting point. So let's try to remove it with the pliers. Nope, not yet. There we go. And it looks like we have a pretty clean lift. A little bit more. There we go. And one thing I'm going to do before I install the new port is just tin the pins. All right, now that our pins are tinned, let's go ahead and put it on the board. All right, and we're gonna add just one more bit of flux. Since we already tinned both the pins on the pads and on the port, we shouldn't need to add more solder. Now let's do a little cleaning. And a quick pin check. Make sure every single pin is soldered on properly. Oh, we have one loose one. Two loose one, oh, three. Okay, so it looks like, okay, these two over here, and then actually two, so 4 total. Let's go ahead and touch those up. Let's try that one more time. All right, it looks like everything is now in position and soldered in properly, so we'll have to do the grounding pads now. So I am sitting on these joints for quite a bit of time because the ground planes are so thick. They do grab most of the heat, and I want to make sure I have proper heat transfer into the ports and not just on the pad. Little cleanup. And that should be it. If you have an Xbox with an HDMI port that's broken, you can always send it in for us to repair. If you found this video helpful or useful, we'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching.